Here are some basic questions and answers that kids often ask at home. First topic: questions about daily activities.
Why do I need to brush my teeth?
Brushing keeps your teeth clean and strong so you can eat and smile without problems.
Why do we wash our hands?
Washing hands gets rid of germs that can make us sick.
Why do I need to sleep early?
Sleeping helps your body and brain rest and grow strong.
Why do I have to do homework?
Homework helps you practice and learn new things better.
Why do we read books?
Books teach us new things and take us on fun adventures in our imagination.
Why do we eat breakfast in the morning?
Breakfast gives your body energy to start the day.
Why does my toy stop working?
It might need new batteries or a little fix.
Why do I have to share my toys?
Sharing makes playing more fun and helps us be kind to others.
Why do I have chores?
Chores teach you responsibility and help keep the house tidy.
Why do we say please and thank you?
We say please and thank you to show respect and kindness to others. Please is a way of asking for something politely.
Why do you hug me?
Because I love you, and hugs make us feel happy and safe.